We all know toddlers seem to have a lot of energy and it can be very challenging to keep up. That's why today I'm going to share some DIY activities that can help you keep them entertained, learning, and burning off some of that excess energy. Also, it's important to know that a child's brain develops the most during the first 3 years of their lives. That's why it's super important for us to prioritize this phase and incorporate learning into everyday activities. The DIYs I'll share with you today are super easy to do and affordable. The Dollartree has so many materials and the activities you can do are endless. I hope you guys give these DIYs a try and that your little one really enjoys them. Let's get started. So here's what I purchased with just $25. I got some flower ornaments, wooden Eastern ornaments, 3 round gift boxes, pop-out stickers, dinosaur, some bath toys, pom-poms, craft eggs, paint, balloon strings, alphabet cards, craft sticks, shoelaces, and even a gardening pot. Banana. So let's start with DIY number 1. You'll need a box like this one, or actually any clean box will do just fine. We are going to need a pen to draw and trace the shapes, and a small knife or box cutter to cut the shapes. Once you open the box, you can start tracing the shapes. I used some of the toys that already had the shape I was looking for, like this heart, for example. I also used a mac and cheese cup for the circle shape, and that's it. Once you finish cutting the shapes, we are going to color the shapes using the paints that we got at the Dollar Tree. You can also write the name of the shapes if you want to. I think that writing the name of the shapes makes it more educational since they can associate the word to the shape. You need to wait until the paint dries and it's ready to go. For our second DIY, you're going to need a gift box like this one, a permanent marker, and a knife. This is a great fine motor skill activity that, believe it or not, they are going to love because they love making things disappear. At this age, they are realizing that things are still there even out of sight, which is why it's so fascinating to them. When you do this, make sure that they don't put things in their mouth and just use safe things like beans, pasta, or even pretzel sticks to have them drop in the box. For our third DIY, you're going to need another gift box, a knife, and some wooden craft sticks. You'll punch holes like the ones I'm showing you guys here. They look like lines. You make sure that the holes are a little wider by dropping some of the wooden sticks a couple times before you let them dry. That way it's not too tight for them and the wooden sticks slide in easier. So after that, you give it a try, make sure it's good, and you give it to them and let them have fun. Yeah. Mira, toma este. Alright guys, so these were just 3 of the DIYs that are easy and quick. In addition to these, you can also play with the building shapes and use the gardening pots and bath toys to practice counting with them. And that's all. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!